Alright guys, we are finally in the woods. Look at this. Woohoo! We start off this trip at the Reichsarbeitsdienst encampment. And the first find from Mr. Mudwatcher is actually this tool token. And I used it to do this on bags and suitcases and that kind of stuff. And this is actually number 7. I don't know if it's popping up. Yeah, it's popping up. But it's this way, it's number 7. So that's pretty cool. That's the first find from the Reichsarbeitsdienst. But yeah, we already found a shell casing. We're only 1 minute in, so this should be good. This should be good. Alright guys, look at this, my mate Mudwatcher. Wow! That is a Reichsarbeitsdienst belt buckle. Oh yeah! Oh, and it's aluminum, and look at the state. Look at the state of it. That is absolutely ridiculous, man. Woo! Oh, dude. That is a beautiful find, man. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Oh my god. My mate Mudwatcher just pulled out the belt buckle, but look at that, guys. Look at that. That's an Erkennungsmarke again. Again, the third one of today. What the bloody hell. Yeah, man. Here should be, at the edge should be Reichsarbeitsdienst. That is amazing, dude. Oh man, our throats are sore by screaming, man. Oh, look at this, guys. R.A.D. Reichsarbeitsdienst. That is a beautiful find again, man. Oh, this is, dude. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Look at that. That is one dog tag on the surface. And here's another one on the surface. What do you mean? What? Oh man, just take it. What do you mean? What? Well, look at this, guys. Another 2 dog tag just lying on the surface. How even? How even? Oh, I'm sorry, we're just very, very speechless. What the hell? Yeah, this is the one my mate got. Oh, he damaged it a little bit with the shovel, but that's okay, man. What the actual hell. Another one. Alright guys, it's pouring down, but we don't care, man. My mate Mudwatcher struck again. Oh, my mate D.R.A.D.r struck again. Another AKM. I think it's number 14. I stopped filming them. But Mr. Mudwatcher. That was the missing piece for today. Freaking cabbage, man. That is very, very, very good. What a day. You cannot believe it. What a day.